Welcome back. In this video, we will cover SEO Writing Assistant within SEMrush. This tool will help you when you are writing content, focusing on keywords and any other optimization metrics and factors while writing the content for you. Basically, SEO Writing Assistant is available within Content Marketing under SEO Content SEO Writing Assistant. As soon as you click it, if you had any previous writing assistant task done, it will show you that data, or you can create a new text here and go from here as well. You can see enter a keyword to get recommendation and everything, or you can get transfer this data from keyword magic tool, competitor research, SEO content template. From anywhere you can transfer the data and it will automatically get transferred here. For example, this is a data which I transferred from our keyword magic example, and you can see it gives me certain option. As soon as I come into this section, I can move this to Google Docs because they have integration with Google Docs and WordPress editor. So if I want to edit it from there, I can do that also. I have control with basic HTML formatting. I can either type the text or import a text from a URL. In case if I already published a post, I just looking to improve that particular content piece, I can import it from here, or I can type it here. I can highlight the issues, like if it has a readability issue, highlight it. If it has a SEO issue, highlight it. If it has a tone of voice issue, highlight it. If it has a originality issue, highlight it. So I can do any highlighting here. So maybe I'll put some sample text here. So I have generated some text with AI and I have pasted it here, and you can see automatically all these things is turned on, and I'm seeing highlighted for different section here, tone of voice, all the different section. For example, one, if I hover over any of it, can see any issues, I can rephrase it, ignore the issue. All the different tips are given here with different colors. I can also format it here. And if I see the right hand side of it, where I am seeing a manual which I can learn about all the different things available here, switch layout option is available for me if I'm looking for a different layout option. So you can see all the different ones. And here I am seeing a different basic overview, like readability. How is my readability? How is my SEO? How is my tone of voice? How is my originality? Currently it ranks my content with 3.5 out of 10. When I click on any of it, it will give me data on that itself. For example, it's saying for readability, I need my target should be around 64%. Currently I'm on 61. Number of words I need to include around 1093, but I only have 257. Title issues, like I need to have a title on for this, so I need to fix all those issues on readability. SEO, I need to include these target keyword. For example, maybe something like what to eat when sick. As soon as I enter that particular keyword within my document, you can see all this went and turned to a different color. That's mean I have started to using that, and slowly my score is getting improved. So that is how you keep on doing all the different one here and improve whatever the factors which is mentioning here. Fix that when you are creating the content. You don't need to fix every single one but generally you make sure that you get a good score and use that here. For example, this is tone of voice. Then we have a smart writer. According to your plan limit, you will get access to here. Basically, you can use this to you maybe like rephrase it. Like you can rephrase it from here itself. You can see rephrase. I have used this amount of word. I can use it to accept. I can do this again and make it like expand. I can use that functionality within here itself. Wait until this to load. So you can see it expanded a lot. Basically it expanded. Maybe I can go for a summarize, and I can accept, reject, try again. So when I click on reject, I keep the original one. I don't want the thing, and it does not consume credit. I can try again. All these options are available. So those are the options available. One, you can write it here. It will automatically cover from SEO standpoint whatever the keyword you import and recommended keyword, all the issues. It will automatically track and will keep on giving you a score for you based on all the different criteria. So that is what SEO writing assistant tool within SEMrush will allow you to